Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If I'm kind of whispering, I am so sorry because my homegirl is sleeping, so I do not want to wake her up. And plus, oh my god, I don't know if my lighting is gonna be good. I am changing up my whole makeup room again. I'm reorganizing, like totally reorganizing everything. This background is gonna change. If you follow me on Snapchat, obviously y'all already know what am I building. So Coastal Scents already sent me my box. It got here in 2 days. I did have to pay $2 what's $10 shipping. They do free shipping over $50, but I paid $10 because I was not fit to wait a week or two to receive this box. So I placed my order when I got home from Dallas. So I placed my order Sunday. They do not process orders on Sunday, so they processed it on Monday. They took like almost 3 business days to process. Saying by the third business day they shipped out my box, and it took 2 days. So one thing is, you already know I don't do high-end makeup on my channel. I only do cheap or drugstore. Coastal Scents, it's a company, a makeup company that you don't hear a lot on YouTube. The only time that you listen to it on YouTube is girls like me that don't waste that money on makeup. Coastal Scents, they try to they compare it a lot for the dupe. It's like a dupe. Well, people say it's kind of like a dupe for Makeup Geek. A thing is, Makeup Geek, it's taken not as a high-end anymore. It is taken as a, they don't consider it, there you go, they do not consider Makeup Geek anymore high-end. They consider it drugstore. I saw a video of a girl saying that Makeup Geek is gonna be on Target now, so they don't consider it high-end anymore. So I did Google it. I know it's stupid, but I Googled it because I seen Coastal Scents before videos. Not a lot of famous beauty gurus use Coastal Scents, just because, I mean, it's an unknown brand for me. But I had to Google it just to make sure, and no, they do not they don't think it's not considered, Coastal Scents is not considered high-end. There you go. Okay, it is not considered high-end. So if it's not high-end, I'm good with it, because these shadows cost only $1. They're cheaper than Shop Miss A, because I got these on sale. Normally they put out sales for $1. That's what normally everyone gets Coastal Scents. I did heard they have over 375. I heard almost more than 300. I do not know. I did not see they had like it did not seem like 300, but I ordered 56. I ordered the most shades that mostly girls use. I still had a whole bunch more, but my limit was 50 shadows. But then I'm like, hold on, I need 56 in order to fit on 2 palettes. I am doing a DIY palette, so yeah. So Coastal Scents is not it's not high-end, so that's good. They do retail normal price. They retail for $1.99. That is pretty stinking awesome. So let's go ahead and open this, and I'm really excited. As soon as I told some of y'all that I was gonna do a Coastal Scents haul, girl, y'all bugged me until the end to do the Coastal Scents video. So here it is, and I am unboxing it with y'all. This is the first time I use Coastal Scents. Okay, so the first thing is right here. Oh god, this is thick. Okay, let me just cover my thing. Oh, you can't see it because of the glare, but they did send in me like sticky sheet type of thing of all the eyeshadows I got. So it's 1 out of 5 pages, and it says, Coastal Scents, thank you for your order. So it's just right here. That is so nice of them. Okay, so that was all in the box. So They do ship internationally, I believe. It's just a little bit more. Okay, so this is how it came, bubble wrapped. Okay, they did fit the palette in here. Okay, so it's just bubble wrap like this. And I'm going to keep this right here because we're going to need it. I'm going to do a swatch video separately and I'm going to do the unboxing in one. So I'm just doing the unboxing right now. We're going to do swatches and everything tomorrow. I am planning to do a makeup look with this. And this video is not sponsored. Just so y'all know, I did purchase this with my own money, okay? Okay. So these are all the Coastal Scents eyeshadows. Like I said, I did purchase 56 in total for everything. It was $75. It wouldn't have been 66, but your girl wanted freaking expedited shipping or whatever you can call it, like fast shipping. So their palettes are really cheap, guys. I ordered a magnetic palette. They do have the black cover like a regular Morphe palette, but I wanted the clear one to be fancy. So this is how it looks like. It is obviously clear because that's how I wanted it. I think this fits 28 eyeshadows. Yes, 28 eyeshadows. That's what it fits here. Normally the Shop Miss A one also fits 28. So yeah, I'm really digging this one. It is really good quality. This is like it's not foamy or anything like that. It is actually plastic, so that's pretty cool. So this cost $10 and it just says Coastal Scents. I went ahead and ordered colors. I wanted to go really crazy on the colors because as y'all see in my summer makeup look, I myself needed a yellow, so I ordered a yellow. So this is how it looks like behind. It says bright yellow and Coastal Scents. And this is how the eyeshadow looks like. We're gonna go ahead and try this one out. This looks like greenish yellow, but when you swatch it, they are really, really soft. That's what I love about them. These are really soft.
Okay, so this is how it looks like.
Did y'all see that? Yeah, I was gonna try to see if it was really magnetic. This thing fell. Okay, it does. You know what? This. Okay, there we go. It doesn't feel like the magnet, like it's. I'm just sticking my nose. Oh my god, come on. I'm just sticking my nose and everything. The magnet itself, it feels like it doesn't hold that well. Like, it comes up like nothing. Like, the magnet, it's not that strong. I do not know how I feel about that. Like I said, I went crazy with the colors. And they just come in like these individual little packages. I think that's pretty cool. Have y'all ever tried Coastal Scents before? So this one's just called Bake Clay. I'm gonna just swatch a few of them. Oh god, those are really pigmented. Okay. Wow, and I still have more product in my finger. I think these are gonna be pretty good quality. Oh my god, this one was so cute, guys. This one is called Hot Tamale. Tamale. I don't know why I'm trying to sound otherwise, but tamale way. This is Hot Tamale. Oh my god, I need to stop doing that. They're really soft. And they are really pigmented. Okay. So far, so good. I ordered a yellow and I ordered myself an orange. This is Bright Tangerine. All these colors that I did get, I did my research before buying all these because some of them are duds and some of them are good. So I did do my research before buying all these. I went with what everybody told me to buy or they recommended. So that's how I ended up doing all this. And this one is called Mango, Dark Mango. I just bought them because their names are so cute, but I needed these colors, girl. So this is what Dark Mango looks like. This is a pretty color. I know some of these are really good if you build them up, but these are really pretty. Okay, I need to stop swatching in front of y'all because then y'all, the whole video is going to be on swatching. But okay. Good. I think these are going to be super, super duper good. On the palette, I don't know how I feel about it. I just don't know what I feel about the palette because I'm trying to take these eyeshadows off. I feel like, I mean, yeah, they're gonna be pretty cute once you close it. Like, hey, hello, right there. Like, you can see what colors you have on here. I think if you're traveling, these are pretty good. I am depotting some of my single eyeshadows, so I think I'm gonna do my DIY big gigantic palette and put this one to the side and use it for glitters that I'm planning to get, because I did order 135 glitters. I'm so sorry if you follow me on Snapchat, you already know what I'm talking about, obviously. So I think I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna put them with my Shop Miss A eyeshadows. I want to do a whole big gigantic palette on all these single eyeshadows. So far so good. I think these eyeshadows are pretty darn good for $1. Like I said, if you don't mind paying that extra $1 for normal pricing, they do give you a little bit more variety of choosing on colors. The good thing about those, they sell a lot of shimmery colors more than mattes. So that's how I was like, huh, okay. There's a whole bunch of colors I did not get, girl. If I wouldn't have gotten all the colors, I wouldn't have spent like $100 or $200. But like I said, if you want to go ahead and try these, try them. Go ahead and buy a few ones if you want, and then try them out, see if you like them. But I'm telling y'all, a lot of people says that these are dupes for the Makeup Geek. There's actually real dupes for the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I've seen some videos of a girl doing swatches, you know, on comparing these colors. Even if you're a pretty fanatic of Cocoa Bear, I don't remember if that's Makeup Geek, but I think it's Makeup Geek Cocoa Bear. I know Coastal Scents has to do for that shade. I need to figure it out which one it was, because that's the reason I bought it. I just don't remember which one is. And there's a whole bunch of dupes. Like, girl, if they compare these to the Makeup Geek eyeshadows, so you should know there are pretty good darn eyeshadows, because those retail for $6. From $6 to $1 or $2, that is pretty good. Like I said, I do think like these are kind of like cheap eyeshadows. That's why I did a haul on these, and I think everybody could afford these. If they're the same price as the Shop Miss A, then girl, they're worth it, because you save yourself $1 every 2 eyeshadows you buy, and those 2 eyeshadows, instead of getting 4 from Shop Miss A, you get 5 from Coastal Scents. So yeah, I blabber a lot. So I'm gonna do the swatch video. My hands are still freaking stained, even though I rubbed it off. I'm gonna do a swatch video tomorrow on all 56. I know it's gonna be hard because these are stained like no other. Oh my god. So I really wanted to do a blue smoky eye using the Coastal Scents eyeshadows. I shouldn't have ordered these a long time ago, but the reason I knew they had a sale on them is just because I subscribed to their webpage and they sent me a notification, hey, we have $1 eyeshadow. So I'm like, okay, this is the time that I need to go run and go buy myself some eyeshadows after I came from Dallas and bought like $100 worth of makeup at Dallas. So yeah, my husband does not know that I bought these. So yeah, let me go ahead and swatch one of their they call like semi glitter. What is it called? Not semi glitter. This one isn't sun dried, and it just looks like this. I think I got some colors for fall also. This is just one swatch, guys, and I still have some more on my finger. Wow. Okay, I think these are way better than drugstore eyeshadows. You know what? I think these are way better than Shop Miss A, just like that. You know, I'm like a Shop Miss A crazy person, but I think these are way better than Shop Miss A, because Shop Miss A's eyeshadows are kind of like powdery. These are not powdery, guys. These are super soft. They're super creamy, and you know I am about soft and creamy and no fallout, okay? It doesn't seem they're powdery because when I swatched it, they swatched really good. It did not seem that I was gonna have a lot of fallout with these. Oh my god, okay. So I don't know what much I could tell y'all about these. I mean, this is the first time I do an unboxing, and obviously I'm not gonna swatch 56 eyeshadows in this video because I will never finish. I was gonna do all in one video, but some of y'all are gonna be like, no, we're not fit to watch this long ass video, so no. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch all the eyeshadows tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and take all these out of their packages, go ahead and pop them on my new palettes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I guess tomorrow when I come back on here, I'm gonna have a look already done with this one, but this mango color is just, oh, is this one. This mango color is just calling my name. It is calling spring like no other, okay? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. What do y'all think about Coastal Scents? If y'all had tried Coastal Scents before, the last day for their sales was gonna be today, but when I went on their page, they're back on the regular price. They said until Friday, so today's Friday, and supposedly today wouldn't have been the last day, but no, they decided to take everything back the way it was. But let me know what do y'all think down below, and I'll go ahead and see y'all tomorrow. I know this unboxing was pretty darn crazy, but yeah, if y'all want to go ahead and stay at the end, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of the colors, a little bit of sneak peeks for tomorrow's swatches. And yeah, guys, if y'all have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell, because some of y'all lost my live video. So yeah, don't forget to click that notification bell. And if you're interested in a channel that only does drugstore and cheap makeup, you came right to the right place. And so yeah, if you want to go ahead and stay and see some of the sneak peeks for the swatches tomorrow, then keep on watching because I am going. Okay, bye guys.